So I guess what control mechanisms are there for accessibility to certain documents when it comes to HR? I mean, I imagine we want to prevent certain employees from being able to access pay slips or employee files or any personal data or specifically sensitive data that perhaps others shouldn't access. What control mechanisms are there, or can I as a user log in and access or director's information or another employee's information? What's kind of set up and how does that work?
You're absolutely on the nail there. That security is really, really important, because you can't afford for employees to be able to access other employees' information unless they're working in the HR department. And even within the HR department, you need to make sure that certain information is only accessible by senior HR managers. So the good thing about therefore is we set the system up with user accounts, roles and permissions, and they will dictate what areas of the system they can see, and what they can retrieve, what they can view, what they can print or download. If we need even more granular control, we can take that right down to an individual document level. So for example, we could say, Mark works in the manufacturing department, and he looks after a team of 10 people, and he is only allowed to see the last performance review for the members of his team, but he cannot see any other information related to that employee. So we've got great control there. If we need further control, we can actually put document sensitivity elements into the record. So we could say this is a public document, this is a private document, this is a confidential document, as an example, and that will drive further security and permissions to make sure that absolutely it's tightly controlled.
Yeah, fine. Okay, that's brilliant.